There's the very first blue arrow. Probably shouldn't be walking this way. I may be lost in the woods. Might be too bright. I don't know anymore. I don't know what I'm doing. Good morning, you guys. What is it, day 4? I don't know. I want to go home. I'm ridiculously just over this. Like, you literally have no idea. So, we're gonna go home today. Yep. I wanted to do a few other things, but the weather here was like, nah, we're just gonna rain all day. And I mean, like, look, it's just cloudy and like it looks bright, but no, it's just like yesterday. I'm pretty sure it was just on private land. That's where that, like, that weird blue thing, which is, what did people on TikTok say? It was like a back end to a trailer or something to basically like help groom the trails for snowmobiling and whatnot. But I'm trying to explain to them, like, this is not a snowmobiling trail. It literally says no ORVs. So I'm not gonna argue with them. Like, I feel like a lot to do.
Okay, Jessie. Okay.
But in reality, it's not that much to get done to pack up and go home. I wanted to read a little bit and write in my journal, but it's gonna rain in like an hour. And I'm not trying to leave in the rain. I know I'm gonna get stuck, like, in the rain. I think depending, I'm gonna put, it doesn't matter who you use, but I think depending on what time I get done pretty much packing everything up, I might still try and record a video, like a different type of video. This white balance might be a little bit off. I'm not fixing it at the moment, so I'm sorry. And just depending on the time, I might still do my BoxyCharm video. I just really haven't decided yet. I want to do it, but then I also want to beat this rain, you know? But then again, I'm probably going to be stuck in the rain. Uh-oh. Go back. I don't like this camera. It's not its fault. Well, We are officially about to head home. I gotta go shut the porta potty. Can you hear me? Is my microphone on? I don't know. I have 3 minutes. So, I was closing off the fence thing and I fucking stabbed my thumb and my finger because it's like a wire rope and part of the wire was not roped. Yeah, so it really hurt. Yeah, it hurt. And I just heard there is construction on my route, so now I'm late going home. That's great. Oh, look, there's people there. Huh. Anyway, we are on our way home. I have a whoa, camera. I have a little over a 3-hour drive, so I'm gonna try and just go straight. Like, I gotta get gas. I have a half tank. We're not making it home on a half tank, unfortunately. So I will have to get gas, but I'm probably just going to wrap it up here because unless I have 2 minutes, there's not much I could really say. Like, I want to just talk, but literally I have 2 minutes and wow, okay, maybe I don't need to talk. Anyway, I don't know. Let me know what you guys thought of this little, like, it's not a weekend, but this little mini vacation, traveling, or what the fuck do I want to say? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little cabin in the woods trip with me. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up because it does help me out tremendously. Really, you gotta make that noise when I'm doing an outro? Do this while driving, but you know what? I do what I want. Don't follow my example. Leave. Whatever. Don't follow me. I mean, like, follow me on TikTok and subscribe, but you know, don't do what I do. I love you guys. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already by clicking this link right here. And if you want to binge watch some of my other content, go ahead and click one of these little clips right here. Again, I love you guys. I will catch you in the next one. Bye. How do I do this with driving?